paid a courtesy call on Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde at his Nandwan residence. Now, the two leaders discussed a number of issues. This was their first meeting since the Mumbai Municipal Corporation elections. So this is a big breaking news. You can see on your screens MNS leader Raj Thackeray meeting Shiv Sena Shinde leader Eknath Shinde. You can see the visuals on your screen. Now, this comes after a massive win by the BJP in the BMC elections earlier. So, a number of issues were discussed in this particular meeting. You can see. All right, I have my colleague Meenakshi live with us from Mumbai. Meenakshi, thank you so much for joining. What are the details of this meeting? What all issues were discussed between Eknath Shinde and Raj Thackeray?
As you have mentioned, is a noticeable development in Maharashtra politics that MNS Chief Raj Thackeray met with Shiv Sena Shinde Chief Eknath Shinde today, and various issues they have discussed. And regarding this discussion, they have discussed some political issue also. What we have seen in municipal corporation election in this year, we have seen that Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray came together and they fought elections together in BMC. After that, what we have seen that they loses actually, and is a big loss for MNS Chief Raj Thackeray. He secured only 6 seats in corporation election, and after that, who are close with Raj Thackeray, they were saying that they didn't got support from Uddhav Thackeray faction what they deserve. So this is a big political development. After that, after municipal election loss, Raj Thackeray met with Eknath Shinde, and we have seen others municipal corporation election also. We have seen in Kalyan that Eknath Shinde and Raj Thackeray, they fought together, and they actually made a mayor from their parties, and they came together in this corporation. So it's a major development we can see, and we have seen today morning also BJP leader Prashad Lal meet with Raj Thackeray. So Raj Thackeray is now meeting with BJP leaders. Raj Thackeray is now meeting with Eknath Shinde, and it's a political. We can say it's a political meet, and let's see what happened next. Raj Thackeray's faction is not happy with Uddhav Thackeray's faction, and they allege that Uddhav Thackeray faction did not support them in the election what they deserve. So this is the situation. Let's see what happened in Maharashtra politics in future. Back to studio.
Thank you so much, Harsha, for getting us all of these details. Now shifting our focus to